You know, we need the pools today.
Yes.
Maybe we should crash Cleo's house later today. That's just because we do have that excessive heat warning in place. That means our heat index will range anywhere from 110 to 115. So definitely looking at some intense heat, not just today, but tomorrow as well, as that excessive heat warning does extend and through Wednesday. Right now, Fair Park 81 degrees, feeling like 88. The sun's not up yet, and we have a heat index 82 at DFW, feeling like 88. The wind out of the south, 5-10 miles per hour, and it's still really humid out. It's very similar feeling to yesterday. You step out, you instantly feel it. So today, our temperature makes it to about 89 degrees at 10. That's the actual temperature. It'll be fine, but the heat index 100 by 10. 104, the feels like around noon. By 4 in the afternoon, the actual temperature will be 103, but it'll feel closer to about 110 when you factor in that humidity. Actual temperature makes it to 104 in Fort Worth and in Denton, 105 in Decatur, about 103 in Dallas, 101 in McKinney, 106 for Mineral Wells. So the more west you are, the hotter the temperatures are going to be. And that's just because of the slightly drier air. And across all of North Texas, doesn't matter where you are, the heat index will be well into the triple digits. So the temperature is going to climb even more, believe it or not. We have this ridge of high pressure that's strengthening, and on Wednesday, high temperature makes it to about 106, the heat index close to about 109. On Thursday, 103, the heat index at about 105. And the reason the heat index is not so much different on those days is because the humidity does look like it is going to lower just a tad. You won't notice a huge difference though, and we do see some relief on it late this weekend. So this is why we have that ridge of high pressure scoots off towards the east a little bit, and that's what's going to allow that jet stream to dip like this, and it brings us a small potential for rain. So far this month, this year, we've had 2 triple-digit heat days the last couple of days. By this time last year, we already had 9. On average, June sees about 2. And I think by the end of June, we'll have about 6 or 7 triple-digit heat days, just depending on how Saturday plays out. But look at next week. We're looking at mid-90s, which is a little bit closer to what's normal for this time of the year, and that does include the 4th of July holiday.